Have you ever wondered why PocketGuard has a separate cash account? It might seem a bit odd at first, especially when you're already tracking your bank and credit card accounts. But there's a strategic reason behind it. Let's dive in. Why a separate cash account? The primary reason for a dedicated cash account in PocketGuard is to accurately track your spending, especially those casual, everyday expenses that often slip through the cracks of traditional budgeting apps. Think about it. Impulsive purchases, that spontaneous coffee run or the unexpected street vendor treat. Small cash transactions, paying for parking, tipping, or buying a snack from a vending machine. Uncategorized spending, those miscellaneous costs that don't fit neatly into predefined categories. Without a cash account, these small but frequent expenses can easily go unnoticed, leading to inaccurate budgeting and financial planning. How to use the cash account effectively. Initial balance. Start by inputting your current cash balance. This could be the amount in your wallet, piggy bank, or safe. Regular updates. Make it a habit to update your cash balance whenever you withdraw or deposit money. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. Categorize transactions. Just like with your bank and credit card accounts, you can categorize your cash transactions. This helps you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you might be overspending. Set spending limits. You can set spending limits for your cash account, just like you would for other accounts. This can help you stay on track with your budget and avoid impulsive purchases. Benefits of using a cash account in PocketGuard. Accurate budgeting. By tracking all your spending, including cash, you'll get a more accurate picture of your financial health. Improved financial awareness. Regular updates to your cash account can help you become more mindful of your spending habits. Better financial decisions. With a clear understanding of your cash flow, you can make more informed financial decisions. While it might seem like an extra step, using the cash account in PocketGuard can significantly improve your financial management. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.